Contaminated food sometimes remains on store shelves for months because the FDA is slow to order a recall. That's according to a report released today by a government watchdog group. Anna Werner spoke to the investigator in charge.
Government investigators focused on 2 recalls from 2014, where they said consumers remained at risk of illness or death for several weeks after FDA knew of potentially hazardous food. One was a salmonella outbreak linked to nut butter that caused 14 illnesses in 11 states. Investigators found it took 165 days from when the product was identified to the date of the firm's voluntary recall. And in a listeria outbreak later that year linked to cheese products, auditors determined a series of recalls took 81 days to complete. At least 9 people became ill, including an infant who died, and 2 pregnant women lost their fetuses. George Netter is lead auditor.
Unless you get all the product off the shelf, people are still at risk. If you were playing Russian roulette, you took all the bullets out of the gun and you put it to your head, there's no risk. But if there's still a couple of bullets left in there, you're still playing Russian roulette, aren't you?
FDA's Dr. Stephen Ostroff says thousands of recalls are handled quickly and effectively, and the cases investigators selected were outliers.
I think that we have traditionally done a very good job.
You sound, though, as if you're saying that nothing went wrong in those 2 cases, of 81 days and 165 days.
There are situations in which it's very challenging to be able to take the actions that need to be taken as quickly as possible.
But Netter says fixes are needed immediately.
It's too long. How many days would America expect them to take to figure out and get this product off the shelf?
Alerts are highly unusual. Netter says he's only issued 3 of them in the hundreds of cases he's worked on over the past 27 years. And Scott, the FDA is already responding to this, saying it's setting up a new internal review group to push for quicker action on recalls when needed.
Anna Werner, thanks.